So guys, you know those days where everything goes wrong, nothing goes according to plan? This video is about that, so basically showing my plan B. Normally, when I go somewhere for some kind of session, I normally try to have a plan B. Either that will be a different location or different gear to target different species. This is over the course of 2 days, so the first day we're targeting trout, not a sniff. So decided to hit the canal just right next to it. Caught a fish, bit a blank, could have just called it a day, but at least we caught a fish. Second day, we're targeting pike, big lake, again, not a sniff. Had my ultralight combo with me, always try to take a ultralight combo with me if I'm fishing heavier. Hit the canal after some perch, got some perch. So I think just to show you guys a bit, like obviously we need to be a bit versatile sometimes as anglers. So either it's different gear, different locations. So we work this time, doesn't always work, but sometimes you don't need to call it a day. So try plan B, let's see how it went. Okay guys, let's change it up a bit. I'm not in the mood for this trout. We'll have the canal just on our right. There's a couple of locks. We're going to put something small, see if we can catch a couple of perch. Little creature. Have some small paddle tails as well that we can try. So yeah, let's hit those locks. See if there's any perch for us. I'm dreaming now obviously of, you know, we're going to catch 20 of them. All tiny perch. And we're going to have like a great session. That's probably not going to happen as well. Let's see. So this is the first lock we're going to hit. Lots of moving water. We're going to cast around to the lock as well. There's a little perch swimming around. It's gotta be, right? Just try and cast down there. There's definitely going to be some fish here, guys. Now we're going to lose our lure. Let's try again. Let's retight. Let's go for a little paddle tail for a change. Oh yeah, caught one. It's a little pike actually. I thought it was a perch. See if it doesn't break us off. Nice fight on the BFS. Don't break us off, buddy. That's the thing with the BFS, man. This is fun to catch. Oh, dude. Shit. In the net. Beautiful little pike. It's not the kind of trout we're looking for, but that's a nice little pike. It's beautiful. Yeah, nice little fish. Cheers, dude. That was one of the reasons why I didn't want to go for a paddle tail straight away. But yeah, nice little fish. I was just literally jigging these off the bottom too. Oh man, the fight on the BFS gear is so cool, man. A little pike. Really good. It's a brand new stretch of canal for me, so can't really complain. So we're going to start with these little JDM lures here. So basically a little worm, and see what we can get to bite this. Beautiful little lure, pretty much any fish can go for this. So yeah, excited for it. I might upsize a bit later on, see if we can get some kind of bigger perch or something, but for now, multi-species it is. Well, I hope. It doesn't mean we're going to. Always find it really tricky to catch any other fish. There's no perch on this kind of lures, but fishing really light, 1 gram jig head. I can cast 1 gram so good. Yeah, so there's a few things we can catch here. Obviously perch, roach, rod, bream. We need to catch a fish on these guys. If we can catch a fish on these, then something's really wrong. It's like a super easy meal for anything. It's just a tiny bit of wind, but when you're using such light lures and line, it makes such a massive difference. So we're going to try and, you know, just cast every little corner we can. Plenty of vegetation here. I can't see any bait fish, but drop it there. Just around of those lilies. Yeah, it looks really good, man. It's just a shame that visibility is really bad. We had a nice roach last month from here, and I've seen bigger. I've seen way bigger, so we know they're around. I've seen bream too. Rod. So I don't see why we're not going to catch one of those fish. Yeah, it looked like we had a little follow. Oh yeah, lots of little perch. It's a big shoal of little perch. A shame that I can't really see. I can see some shadows. Oh yeah, I got one. There we go, first of the day. Just keep in mind, these are the sizes we're looking for on the little beautiful fish. So I might just put the net out and try to catch a few. It's fun, man, on this rod. I mean, even this tiny fish, put a little bend on it. But yeah, there was a big shoal of them. I counted, well, without counting, it looked like at least 10-15 of them. So let's see if we catch another one. That was just off the bottom too. I think they're hiding under this structure here. I know normally when I put one in the net, then they never come back. I need to try. I mean, they were curious, but they were really not biting apart from that one. Let's let this baby perch go. Beautiful little fish. What's biting, dude? It looked like they came out from there, following the lure. Difficult to tell, visibility is really poor. But yeah, first fish on these lures for me, little JDM worms. So perch was the more obvious species that we would catch, and that's ticked off the list. So let's see if we catch something else. Well, and some perch in the mix too. It's another one. Look at the size. Beautiful. Beautiful little predator, man. So it seems like they moved a bit to the side. I can see some bubbling and all. Man, fish tank size. Just what they... Yeah, that was it, guys. Wasn't much, but at least we caught some fish. To be fair, fishing been extremely difficult for me. Honestly, like, just not having fun at all has been everything apart from fun. We've been to a lot of different places, to be fair. We've been back to old places, and it's still like, it feels like it's just not happening. I mean, we had a good pike on the previous video. If you guys didn't watch, I will link that in the description, which was great. But other than that, it's just been struggle after struggle. So yeah, hopefully we'll get better. Again, we've been trying, even targeting other species and all, but just nothing happening. Anyway, the goal was to show, just keep a plan B with you. If you don't do it, sometimes it breaks the blank. I normally rather catch a small fish or two than just blank. Yeah, that was pretty much that. That's been my fishing for the last few weeks. It's either blanks or a couple of small fish, of plan B small fish, but beats the blank. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys on the next one.